Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I do my own clip-ins. So I bought some hair recently, which you can see back here, from the beauty supply store. Some human hair, it's not that I necessarily just recommend the brand. I think you can do this with any type of hair you have. I decided to make my own clip-ins. So I got these packs of clip-ins. They move, these two are connected, and it's like this. And then you know how to do a clip in. It's like a little comb, keep it there and lock it in place, so I have my natural hair out, like a fresh little blowout. We're gonna begin. So when I do my clip-ins, y'all, I don't look for a perfect part. I literally will part it with my finger, but I'll try to part it with. And then I have some older clip-ins I've been did. So this is 3 tracks. Most of them though are 2 tracks. We out here, y'all. So you see it's a little snapped up, but so boom, I look crazy, but that's all fine. Fine again. As you can see, it's not much of a real part. I can tell. I don't know. This probably looks so bad in camera, but whatever. It is what it is. So anyways, let's go. So you want to kind of measure it out right here. Oh, that's the thing. Make sure you measure it out. I kind of already know because I've been using these, but measure them out. So you wanna, I do both at the same time, just comb it in and then play, but I do one by one for y'all. So clip, clip. Now that is one clip in done. Same thing. We want to get enough real hair to cover this. Ooh, baby. To cover this check. So got our ponytail. Throw some on this. Same thing. Let's just brush this one out. This is really a quick. It's really quick. It's gonna seem longer because I'm kind of showing y'all what to do, but it's a quick method. It probably takes less than 10 minutes. So boom. That's 2. I don't know why my elbows look so ashy on camera, but I'll put Vaseline on them and everything. If I go like this, it looks so ashy, but it's really not. Okay, so this one has the 4, the 2 that come connected. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I don't even think, they're not a perfect line. They don't have to be. Let me just show y'all so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Cause y'all see, I didn't even see it. I just did some parts. I know it's probably looking so crazy. It seems like it's higher up right here. Whatever. And then the more you do them, you'll get a feel for them. But this is really good, especially if you wear your real hair and you just oh, I want to go out, whatever. Boom. You already got clip-ins made. My hair looks so crazy, y'all. So this is still a really good fit. See? So I'm doing the middle part. You can already see my little line. A long one. I think I meant to use this one earlier, but That's a good thing. As long as the tracks are covered and the top looks good, you're fine. So you see it's coming along pretty good. Like if you wanted to do a half up, half down, you really could do this. Like you just need to pull out some hair to cover it. And you know, I can show y'all if y'all want to see like how to style clip-ins or whatever ways I style my clip-ins, y'all let me know and I can do that for y'all. But today I'm just showing y'all how to do this. Simple. This one. So we're gonna put this one in the middle. We don't have that much hair left, so we're gonna pull some of this hair out. Make sure our tracks are covered, of course. So look, no tracks, no tracks. Check. See, you see, like even right here, it blends perfectly. So we're gonna do this one slanted, so it kind of goes in our face a little bit. I'm using this edge booster in my toothbrush because period. This is spruce up the edges a bit. I don't really like this color. I like the green one better, but what? So guys, this is the final product. This is my hair with about 2 bundles of beauty supply store hair, not like 2 actual bundles. So like 2 packs of beauty supply hair. And it was quick and easy. Like to record it took me a minute, but when I do my hair normally, I don't really like this part. When I do my hair normally, it only takes me like my lashes, y'all know that the struggle with these lash extensions, but it normally takes me like 5 to 7 minutes. Boom, behind the ear, cute. You could do a ponytail. They're secure. You gotta worry about them slipping or falling, as long as the root of your hair is not like super duper straight. Like mine aren't super straight, and when I know I'm wearing clip-ins, I don't straighten the root like that. Like I might straighten this, and this still isn't even that straight, but that's like the straightest. The rest in here, honey, they're gonna hold on to these combs, okay? They are gonna be super secure. So this is it, y'all. This is the hair I got though. This is 18 inch. So these are 18 inches of hair. I'm 5'7", so that's pretty. Let me just stand so y'all can see. It's still pretty long. So it's right there. I kind of think that store-bought hair is longer though than like regular bundles, but you can do this with any hair. I like it. And then it's not really heavy. It is heavier, but it's not really heavy. And then you can still curl your real hair with it. And with this clip-ins, I do take mine out at night. You don't want to always wear them because of course it's something tugging on the root of your hair. So, you know, too much of anything can be bad, but this is super easy, y'all. Y'all can see my parts and all of that. I just kind of do my own thing. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and please make sure to tell a friend to watch your friend MishK. As always, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Love you. And I hope that you guys found this really, really easy. And if you did this method or whatever, you guys want to see how I do a clip-ins, different styles, how I can style clip-ins, leave it in the comments below. And if you do this style or whatever you've seen it from my video, post it on Instagram, tag me in it, girl, and I'm gonna shout you out, okay? Or guy, I'm gonna shout you out, okay? Love you.